Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 23H2 your IT administrator has limited access. First method is open File Explorer, this PC, C drive, Windows, System 32 folder. Open Security Health folder. Right-click Security Health Setup, click Run as Administrator. Second method is open File Explorer, this PC, C drive, Windows, System 32 folder. If Security Health Setup file is not available, download it from other sources given by description. Right-click Security Health Setup, click Run as Administrator. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.